What, you got cancer? What up, boys? It's your boy. I'm back here with another one. My little, my people in the hood, yo. Always, man. Always trying to make, man. Always asking for my help, man. Always asking for my money, bro. Always asking for the stuff. Man, that's gonna stop today, man. Yo, man. Yo. I ain't gonna give you no more stuff. Skirt. I ain't got no money to give ya. I ain't got nothing. You boy ain't got nothing. How do you expect me? Yo, I already have to go to the doctor. All y'all hoodie hoods out there, always asking for my drink. Boy, you ain't got no money to give me no drink. Always people in the hood, always getting money off my wood. I ain't gonna let that happen again. It looks like they're gonna take it off of me anyways. Diamond, smoke, toy, weed all day, 420. All my real wiggers, all my new, always looking at me like I ain't got no money, I ain't got nothing, you ain't got none of that. I'm unopposed, I'm something if I can't even give it. Y'all need to get a job, and you expect me to support ya, white looking boy. Living the thug life. Living the thug life. Living the thug life. Yo, living the thug life. Y'all boys ain't got nothing on me. Y'all ain't got nothing at all. Oh man. So we'll just go ahead and just kill me already. I can't even sing this song without freaking dying.